Happy birthday, Tatay Eddie. I hope you have a great day. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tatay Eddie. Sana laging kayo healthy. Take care. Love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Father! Enjoy ka sa party mo at pakasaya ka dyan sa mga bisita mo. Dami kayong food. Tawag ako ha. Sana lagi kang healthy. Yan ang lagi naming prayer. Kayo ni Nanay, laging healthy, happy, at saka safe. And lagi kayong sweet. I love you. I will see you soon. Happy birthday!
Hello, Tatay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tatay! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo at magpalakas ka lagi. Kain ka lang lagi at love lang kayo ni Nanay. Enjoy lang sa birthday. Happy birthday, Tatay. Love you. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Tatay! Happy birthday, Tatay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tatay!
Happy birthday, Tay-Tay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tay-Tay.